this is Oz from Masiwa group. Today we are in Başiskele, Izmit. I will show you a 6+1 villa with this amazing view. As you see, you can see all the Gulf from your balcony and from your garden. This villa has its own garden. Let me show you. It starts here and goes all the way around here, and you have a private pool. You have private garden and private pool in this project. And now let's explore together our villa. Here we have a balcony, and here this is our master bedroom. As you see, it's a very big one. And let's check the dressing room. Here we have a dressing room. You can put your cabinets here. And here the master bath, as you see, and shower box behind the door. Here is the second room, as you see. Here we have the third room. This villa has smart house system. You can control everything with your phone. Also, these shutters closing and opening with your phone. And lights also you can control with the lights with Bluetooth. This house has smart home systems. And here we have a common use bedroom. As you see, it's a big one. And we have also a balcony here. I know balcony from the bed is a little different, but you can close this glass with shady glass. Let's get downstairs. As you see, these stairs are wooden. Here our living room. As you see, we have a fireplace here, and the living room goes all the way around here. It's a very big one. And here you have windows from floor to the ceilings, both sides. And it's a sliding door, and it's sliding very nice. And here is your terrace. As you see, your garden starts from here and goes all the way around here. And you have a private pool here. It's about 25 square meters. Let me show you villa from the outside. Here is the villa. And you can also put some grasses, artificial grass to your wall, like this one, to have more privacy. You can make these closed and you can have more privacy. And now let's check the kitchen. Kitchen is also nice, and as you see, it's a big one. Here is the actual entrance of the apartment, and here we have a bathroom on the ground floor. And here is the old system for the smart house systems. And let's head to the minus floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms, 1, 2 and 3. You can use for sport, for your hobby, and for your handmaiden. Here also have a bathroom, a very big one. You can use also for your laundry, maybe for your cinema. You can make it cinema room, something, and here is another big room, and here is the third one. Totally we have 6 rooms and 1 living room in this project, located in Başiskele. Now these are all I have to say. For more detailed information, please call the number below. Have a nice day.